Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your beautiful child is now a toddler. In this video, I will show you how to educate and reach all your 2 to 3 year old development milestones. At this age, your child will learn through discovery, doing things, seeing things, feeling, taking turns, and speaking. Because your toddler is yearning to be independent, this stage is often called terrible twos and yes, threes. However, this is a very beautiful time for you and your child. Your child will be learning how to express themselves through learning emotions such as happy, sad, excited, and mad. During this time, your child should be able to take 2 or 3 step directions, how to sort objects by shape, color, imitating the actions of adults and playmates, and expressing themselves through a wide range of emotions. Here are some of my tips for you to continue development milestones. Reading books with colorful pictures and shapes. Playing pretend, such as cooking, the fake kitchens, farmhouses, little ice cream shops. Playing parade or follow the leader. Playing outside, painting, riding a wagon, showing him or her trees, houses, nature, things around them, educating them, even by picking up a little leaf and saying, this is a leaf and it's colored green. Encouraging your toddler to say their name and their age. Teaching your toddler simple songs like ABCs, Itsy Bitsy Spider, or other cultural songs. Giving attention and praise when he or she does good, as in following directions like a rewards chart, or just a simple hug and kiss and a smile will go a long way. Teaching your child acceptable ways to show he or she is upset and communicating with them as they're an adult, a respectable adult. And that will help your toddler grow. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe and like my video. Take care.